That's Mark, a junior technician of an oil and gas company. During his day in the field, he is requested to perform a very critical maintenance activity on a towering oil platform. As he readies himself to execute the task, he knows that safety is paramount. He trusts the power of safety checklists, but soon realizes that he cannot quite remember where to find them within the app. How can Mark speed up the process and find the solution by himself, quickly, without having to call the help center? Over IT presents a user-friendly chat guiding field technicians towards operational precision. An intelligent chatbot on mobile stands ready to offer guidance to Mark whenever uncertainties about the Over IT mobile app arise. Whether typed or dictated by voice commands, doubts can be channeled by users into the chat at any time. No matter the language used, the mobile chatbot springs into action, providing swift resolutions. It also allows access to official documentation to guide users through an intuitive chat interface. Furthermore, on a constant lookout for refinement, users are encouraged to contribute to the level of accuracy of the feature with feedback and insights. Over IT, your trusted partner to pave the way for the introduction of innovative features that reduce training time, enhance user experience, and increase productivity. Over IT Next Gen FSM Platform 2023 Wave 3. You ask, we deliver.